Good morning, guys. We woke up and looked at our page this morning, and we've got a glitch. We thought we had been hacked at first, but it shows like 3 videos that we did not upload. And that's all it showed, was the 3 videos, and that was it. And when I go in here to my videos, there they are. But the home page has been hacked. On those 3 videos on the home page, there's millions of comments on these 3 videos saying that this had happened to other people. So be aware that this could happen to you. And we're gonna, we looked into it, did some research, and found out how to fix this problem, and she's going to let you know how to do that.
All right, guys, it won't let you do it from a cell phone. You actually have to go to your desktop and log into your channel from a desktop. And then when you get your channel pulled up on a desktop, you'll see customize channel, which is right over here. I don't know why that just did that. And you'll click that, customize your channel. Okay. And then create a playlist. And click publish, which will be seen in the top right. And that's it. You should go ahead and create a new playlist for your home page. So let's see.
So some people said that they had done that and that had fixed it. Funny thing is, the desktop was showing our homepage the way that it was, and the phone seemed to be the one that had the glitch on it. But I checked my phone earlier; it showed the 3 videos, and then I went back a few minutes later. Then it showed my homepage to be okay. So it's just sporadic when it's happening.
Okay, here.
Well, we can figure this out, but evidently what it's saying is you need to get in there and change your layout of your home page through this
YouTube Studio.
Did you want to read some of the comments?
No.
Okay. Okay, guys, we're going to try to fix this. We apologize for this happening. We don't know what's going on, so we're going to try to get it fixed for you. Thanks.